To play a Kahoot live in class, the first step is to pick which game you want to play. So go to the Kahoots tab up at the top. Any game that you've created will show up here in the middle, or you can pick a game that has been shared with you or one that you've starred as a favorite from your search. So we're going to play the Get to Know Your Teacher. So click on the green play button and click Teach. From here, you'll have some different options that you can choose from, and when you're ready to play, you can either click Classic if students each have their own device, or Team Mode if they're using shared devices. So we're going to click Classic. This next screen is the one that you're going to want to share with students. So if I have an overhead projector, I'm going to make sure to display this on the big screen so that everyone in the class can see it. Kids, if they have their computers, will go to kahoot.it. If they're playing with a phone or a mobile device, they can go to the app, and then they'll want to enter the PIN number. As students enter the PIN number, they'll be prompted to enter a nickname. So I typically have students just use their initials. So you can see students pop up down here. Now, if a student used an inappropriate nickname or accidentally got in there twice, you can click on their name to kick them out, and they'll have to try again. So we'll have to enter the PIN number one more time and have a new name. Once all of your students are in, then just click Start. And now students will see the questions up on the screen, and then they'll have their answer choices on their own devices to pick and choose. All right, so I got that one correct. If students are late joining in the game, then they can join in at any time using this PIN number right down here. This is really good if you have students who are having technical difficulties, so you can get the game started as long as the majority of your students are in. If you click Next, you can also see a leaderboard, so the faster students answer, the more points they get. And that's how you play Kahoot.